Want to make it easier for your website visitors to subscribe to your YouTube channel? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to add a YouTube subscribe button to your WordPress site so your audience can stay connected with your content effortlessly. There are two easy ways to do this: using a plugin or adding it manually with a little HTML. Let's start with the plugin method. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Add New. Search for a plugin like WP YouTube Subscribe Button. Install it and activate it. Once activated, you can configure the button by entering your YouTube channel URL, choosing the layout, and customizing the size and style. After saving the settings, simply place the button using a shortcode in your posts, pages, or even your sidebar. It's that simple. No coding required. If you prefer not to use a plugin, you can add the button manually. Visit the official YouTube subscribe button page and generate your button by entering your channel name and selecting the button style. You'll get a snippet of HTML code. Copy this code, then go to the page or post in WordPress where you want the button to appear, switch to the HTML editor, and paste the code. Update or publish your page and the subscribe button will appear instantly. Adding a subscribe button is a small step that can make a big difference in growing your YouTube community. Whether you use a plugin or embed it manually, it's quick, easy, and helps your audience stay engaged with your content.